Easy. Ooh.
I see you with it, I'm with it, my nigga, let's get it. Sparrow got hundreds and fifties, all too familiar, admit it, I'm truly committed. My palms consistently itching, served out they kitchen, relentless, we chasing these benches. Back that back, maybe that's in business. Show back that back, my crew paid off commission. None of this shit came free, got out street, had to take chance, yeah. 40K in rubber band, stuff in my pants.
As you guys can see, Ryan's hooking up the bike to the bike rack because today is the first episode of the Beast Mode build series. Right now we're about to take this bike fully apart. Everything, and get it ready for powder coat. We're gonna need the air compressor, by the way, because these grips need to come off. Today is Monday. It's crunch time because I literally have to get the bike dropped off tomorrow to blast coatings. So when I snap my finger, cue in the time lapse.
We're done?
What is the time on that?
15 minutes exactly.
Come on. Nobody's messing with us, bro. We're done.
15, 2, 3, 3.
We are literally done.
It ain't easy being Stacy, my mama once told me.
Sorry.
Put it up.
Man, 15 minutes. Anybody can beat that? We'll PayPal you
18 cents.
nothing. Of course, we still have miscellaneous stuff like the grips and the brake levers, but other than that, the bike's fully taken apart. All I have to do is drop it off the powder coat. Alright guys, the bike is taken apart. I already have everything loaded up in the car. I'm not sure if I'm going to end the video off here. I'm going to continue the vlog until the next day, which means the next clip you see, I'm probably going to be dropping the bike off to the powder coat, because we actually got this done faster than I thought. I did plan on getting the wheels powder coated as well, but I don't want to take them apart just yet. And I'm not sure about it because I don't really have experience with taking apart wheels, so I don't want to mess anything up like I did with the fast stripper wheel. Trust me, I messed up the fast stripper wheel. I had to order a new wheel for like $100. So we're not gonna do that with the Beast Mode wheel, especially if that's a giveaway bike. So with that being said, well, it's not the end of the video. I'll see you guys tomorrow. What's up, guys? It's currently the next day. I got the bike and the bike parts in the truck with me. Right now I'm heading to, I'm supposed to be in school right now. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm supposed to be in school, but I had to go replace my driver's license because I lost it. But enough of that. Right now, I'm headed to Blast Coating Shop to look at the colors that I'm gonna be picking. I can't show you guys yet. I'm not gonna be able to show you guys till the bike is like built. So it may be in black and white. But yeah, I'm gonna go look at the colors, drop off the bike if he's at the shop. I'm hoping he's at the shop because I need to go to school. So if he's not at the shop, I'll just go after school, but I want to drop it now and as early as I can so we can get this thing on the road. So I'm gonna go to Blast Coating Shop. I'm gonna show you like some of the colors, like what he has in his shop, and then I'm not showing you guys the colors that I'm picking, but yeah, and if you guys want to get your bike powder coated, and you live local of West Palm Beach, you can hit up Blast Coatings. I'll put all the information up on the screen. I can't tell you guys prices. Like, I know you guys are gonna ask me how much to powder coat a big ripper frame or whatever. I can't really tell you guys prices. It honestly depends on the color and what you want to do. So, but I'm gonna still put all the information up on the screen, put his Instagram up on the screen, and yeah. Right now I'm driving. I'm headed to his shop right now, so I'll pick up the camera when I get there. So I just made it to Blast Coating shop. He's already out there. Blast Coatings. I'm about to look through some colors and then make a decision. So I'm gonna grab this one and that one.